Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys hotspot setting, all setting guys one by one, step by step guys. I will show you guys in this video. In this video guys, they will talk about guys how can you on and guys how can you use your hotspot setting in your Samsung phone. In this video guys, I am going to show you friends. So guys, now let's see how to on hotspot, mobile hotspot, and guys how can you use it. So first of all guys, open your phone setting. Then guys you can see guys your connection settings and get this type of settings. So by first setting guys you will have to click on your connection setting. Then guys you can see your mobile hotspot settings. So guys tap here. Again guys you can see mobile hotspot. So guys tap here. So by first setting guys you can see guys first you want to on guys your hotspot. So guys you can on from here. Guys you don't have your enter a SIM card, use mobile hotspot. So guys I don't have any SIM card, but guys you can on and off your hotspot from here. Second option guys you can see guys this band options means other bands provide better performance. So as you can on and off from here, and get this advanced setting as you can see. So as you can see guys this MC MAC address type guys you can use. Hide network guys you can on and off from here. Hidden network guys support Wi-Fi 6 standard guys you can on and off from here. Wi-Fi sharing guys you can on and off from here in your Samsung phone guys. So guys you can use your this type of settings. The security setting guys you can see guys open like that, and guys you can change from here guys like 5 GHZ preferred. So guys you can change from here like that. And guys when you will enter guys your SIM card, so guys you can your auto hotspot setting guys you can use it. As you can see, insert a SIM card to use mobile hotspot and other technical options. So like that guys you can on and off your hotspot, and guys you can use your mobile hotspot setting in your Samsung phone. So I hope friends you have understood. So that's it guys, thanks for watching guys. Now we will meet on next video guys with the topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.